Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the toast in Android Studio. So let's start. And before start, please I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay up to date with latest programming videos. First of all, let me show you what is toast. Toast is nothing more than a message that appears on the screen or activity of your application. You often see a little bit message on the bottom of your screen that appears after few seconds, maybe 1 or 2 seconds. That's called toast. And in this video, I will show you how we create that message in Android Studio. Let's start. Okay, guys. This is the example of toast message. I hope you will often see this message when you are using different type of apps. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create this in Android Studio. First of all, go to your Android Studio and I am going to create a button. On that button click, we will show our toast. So this is our button. I'm using constraint layout, so constraint to that horizontal and vertical as well. Give margin top a little bit and give id button btn toast. Okay guys, now refactor. Okay guys, now we are going to our java file and going to declare and initialize our button. So to do that, type here button, press enter, btn toast semicolon, and inside your own create method you have to type btn toast is equal to find view by id r dot id dot btn toast. So guys, this is the variable we have create of our button class. This is the object that we have created of our button class, and this is the id that we have already given in our activity main file to our button, like you can easily see on our backend code. Okay, now we have to set on click listener on our button, like btn toast dot set on click listener, press new and view dot on click listener. Guys, to create a toast you have to type toast. Okay guys, it have automatically created a toast for ourselves. First of all, you have to type toast dot make text, and in the parentheses you have to type enter 3 parameters: your current activity in which you want to show the toast, because I want to show it on main activity. That's why you can see that I have right here main activity dot this comma, and in the double colon you have to type that what message you want to show on the to the user. Suppose I want to show demo toast message. Okay, again comma, and here is the toast length. You want to show the toast for a short period or for a long period. So if you want to show the toast for a long period, suppose for 4 to 5 seconds, you have to type here length long, but I'm going to write here length short, and after this you have to close your bracket and type dot show method. So by writing this code you can show the toast to the user. Okay guys, let me run the app so I can show you the output. Let's start. Okay guys, you can see that our app have been run successfully. Here is our button that we were created. So let me click on this. Okay, demo toast message. Let me click it again. You can see that guys, here is our toast. So guys, I hope that you must like this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And again, please I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay up to date with latest programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.